How to change screensaver on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Preferences option. You will see the desktop and screensaver option. Tap on that and further select the screensaver tab. Now, you will be able to see a bunch of screensaver options. Go ahead and select your preferred option, and you can also tap on the screensaver options to make any further changes such as adding soft tones, spectrum, or minimal. You can also make changes such as language changes if necessary. Once you are done making the changes, tap on the OK button, and with this, your screensaver will be changed. So this is how you can change screensaver on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.